Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering a side cover for what I believe is like around 1979 KZ650. Not 100% sure the part number, but it doesn't have the indentations here for the emblem. It is new, never been on a bike, never had an emblem on it. However, upon our inspection, this came from a shop that's closed out, and this part is every bit of 50 years old, close to 50. So anyway, we feel there's a little bit of spotting here, like where they, when they paint it, maybe they had some dirt in it, but this is original paint. But there's little tiny marks, and it would be perfect for a bike, but we just wanted to tell you, so we can show you this in the video here where the spots are. I don't know if you can, it's very hard to pick up, but we're just telling you about it.